We saw a disclosure that Broadcom has acquired Elastics.cloud, which is a CXL startup focused on composable infrastructure. The news came from co-founder George Apostol and was apparently done back in September, and a team had been working on transitioning to the manufacturer to more closely integrate with Broadcom's vision. Even now, if you look on the Elastics.cloud website, there's really no mention of the acquisition by Broadcom. Stephen, what is it about this company that has Broadcom so interested in composable infrastructure?
So Tom, I think first off, Broadcom is in the news, of course, for their acquisition of VMware. And it's important to note that Broadcom is a big company. This doesn't have anything to do with VMware. Broadcom has long been in this market for building PCI Express components, along with all sorts of other components that you find inside servers and infrastructure. And this really goes to the heart of that part of the company. So back in 2014, Broadcom acquired a company called PLX Technology, which was a leader in PCI Express. And this really, it dovetails quite nicely in there. According to this LinkedIn post, Broadcom will likely be putting Elastics.cloud together with PLX to basically bring their technology forward into the CXL space. So we actually know a bit about Elastics.cloud. We talked to them on the Utilizing CXL, which was season 4 of Utilizing Tech. Back, if you look at the episode from November 14th, 2022, we have a detailed conversation with George Apostol from Elastics.cloud, talking about what their product does. George and I met at the CXL Forum in New York the previous year, and I was really impressed by what they're putting together. Essentially, this is the epitome of that kind of scrappy startup that's putting together essential new technology. Specifically, Elastics.cloud has capability to share memory across multiple CXL servers. This is incredible stuff. This is cutting edge stuff, and this is really the future of infrastructure. So you mentioned that magic word, composability. That's what this is all about. Essentially, Broadcom is going to be using the technology that they already have, as well as the technology from Elastics.cloud to build both initiators and targets that would allow servers to connect using PCI Express lanes to memory, pooled memory that could then be shared among multiple servers, even dynamically shared, even shared at the same time. So maybe they could really do some really cool stuff there in terms of building out big clusters of composable servers. That's exactly what Elastics.cloud was working on. And that's why I'm excited about this. Frankly, this is where the industry is headed. And it's going to be exciting to see what happens there. We should also mention, in a sad note, that George Apostol noted that co-founder and CTO of Elastics.cloud, Shreyas Shah, who we may have encountered in previous times at companies like Xilinx and Intel, he passed away unexpectedly on October 11th. So certainly that casts a shadow of this, though this acquisition happened before that. It's sad to hear about that.